I'm Steve.
And I'm Wayne.
And we are Two Hearts Travel Vlog.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the skies, hearts running wild, never sleep, never.
The clarified New York Sour Up would be a great option. If you want something a little bit more light and refreshing, this side of the menu would be a great option. I personally love the strawberry and coconut right hand. It reminds me of a Negroni or a Boulevardier. It's a little bit bitter. It is infused with strawberries. It's quite tasty. Or the peach straw whiskey smash. It's Japanese toki whiskey, bright juicy peach flavor, and a little bit of tang on the back end. If you do love bourbon, we do have a Disney Select bourbon flight listed at the bottom. What's special about that is not only is it Disney Select, all 4 of those bourbons are our own private barrels at GR82.
GR82 is Walt Disney World's new adult-only bar situated within Spaceship Earth in EPCOT. It's got such a great vibe, the decor is amazing. The cocktails may be a little bit on the expensive side, but they are strong. And at the moment you can stay there, I think, for an hour and have a maximum of 2 cocktails. I love that you can see all the way to the American Pavilion. See the flag flying. Such a clever idea.
House have just arrived. I've got the strawberry coconut right hand, which looks delicious but quite strong apparently. And Steve went for the brulee banana highball.
They look lovely, don't they? Should we see what they taste like? Do you want to taste mine?
Oh God, that's amazing. That is amazing.
You want to swap now, don't you? Why I did the mushroom flatbread get invited to the party? Because it's such a fun guy. Very nice. I'm here all week. I'll get my coat.
Amazing. Yeah, it's really good.
What sort of flavours has it got?
Cheese and mushroom.
How many times a day do I hear that when we're at home?
Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Hey, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great there.
Where are you, Nemo? He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together. We don't remember it all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
See who? Hi, I'm Lori.
The seas at EPCOT, now with Nemo and Friends. It's a fun ride, underwater journey. You hop into a clam mobile and follow Nemo and Friends through their colourful coral reefs. What's really cool is how Disney blends the animation and marine life in the animated world. It looks like the characters are swimming right alongside the fish.
Where are you going? Starfish can turn our stomachs inside out. I can amuse your friends.
When the Living Seas first opened in 1986, it held the title of the biggest saltwater tank on the planet. It's now been beaten in 2005 by the Georgia Aquarium.
Oh, there was Nemo.
There's another little Nemo down there as well.
Hiding in the coral.
Seabase is a two-storey aquarium and a little bit of Disney history. Back in the day, I remember those old days, the guests used to descend to the ocean in hydrolators, which were like fake elevators. You never moved, but it really did feel like you were descending into the ocean.
There's you in there.
Oh, you're vile. Vile. Why did the seahorse blush away?
Because the seaweed.
We were lucky when we visited the seas because there was a new addition, a really cute £300 manatee pup called Tanimura. I know sometimes aquariums get a bad rap, but Disney works closely with conservation experts to help care for the manatees, especially little ones that may have been orphaned or injured and probably wouldn't have survived on their own if they were left to their own devices. What I would like to know though, if swimming is really good exercise and lettuce is really good for you, why are manatees so fat? The tank holds about 5.7 million gallons of water and hosts thousands of sea creatures, like these rays that look like they're flying through the ocean. So graceful. I could watch them for hours. It's hypnotizing. You can also see divers cleaning the glass and interacting. The glass on all the windows of the tanks are 8-inch thick acrylic windows. But it's watching the sharks that I find fascinating. I've loved sharks ever since in 1975 when I saw Jaws at the cinema when I was 7 years old. Oh, I've just given my age away there.
Surface of the land, roots trap water from the flowing mud and extract precious nutrients and minerals. These elements, when combined with sunlight, create the diverse living systems of our elements essential to our lives. Make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun. helped create the rich soil that will one day become home to the American farm.
Well, we're here at EPCOT for Moonlight Magic. We're at the DVC lounge and we're waiting for the party to start. There's special meet and greets with some characters that you don't get to see very often, and we were really lucky because whilst we were waiting for the party to start in the DVC lounge, we had a very special interaction with one of these guys from Zootopia. Characters that we can get a picture with. Wayne's just more interested in where you can get the snacks though, so you can see the conversation that he's having with himself in his head as to what snacks that he wants. Do they? They do what?
Moonlight Magic merchandise.
Ah, that'd be really good. Gotta look behind you, he's behind you. Ah, you're brilliant, thank you. This is where we're going to be eating later on tonight for the fireworks show. We're at the Spice Road table and we've booked the firework package. That means we get a table with a good old view of the fireworks, and also we get the firework package, get some shared lemon vegetable tagine, olives and preserved lemons, fragrant couscous, and then we've got to pick two from over here, so I'm going to pick the bread service because Wayne wants that, and I'm going to have the chicken pastilla, and then he's going to order the lamb and the spicy shrimp, and then we get a dessert platter. Love a platter, don't you, Wayne? So, we're both very tired. We're here for Moonlight Magic, so we'll be leaving here about 1 o'clock in the morning. Couscous is actually nice, isn't it? That's your worst nightmare, couscous, isn't it?
I don't see the point of it.
Just a waste of chewing, isn't it?
Hello, Ree. I'm not on you, I'm doing that first, and then I'll go to you.
I do not enjoy your tone.
A little lemon twisted, nice.
So this is the lamb kofta. There's my pomegranate mimosa, and Wayne's got a mint tea, bless him. There's our bread service, which is very nice with some olives. Our friend Emma would love this. And there's the chicken whatever it is, but that looks delicious as well. There's so much food here, and we've still got something else to come out, I think. So much food. But this is America, so we'll have to do our best. Hey, Wayne. Now they look strangely familiar.
And I love it when it changes all the different colours.
Well, that really did defeat us. I wasn't thinking that you weren't going to get much food here, were you?
Yeah, I didn't think we'd get as much as that. It was amazing, absolutely amazing, so fresh.
The chicken bacava type thing with the honey, that was gorgeous. Sometimes I think we take Spaceship Earth for granted. It's been welcoming visitors to EPCOT since the 1st of October 1982, and it's so much more than just a big golf ball. It stands over 180 feet tall and weighs more than 15 million pounds. And when it rains, to stop the water from dripping onto the people below, there's a hidden drainage system which carries the rainwater to EPCOT's lagoon. How clever is that? And it looks even more amazing when the fireworks are going off as well. It's more than just a Disney icon, it's EPCOT's heart and soul. Thanks. Can we have a tail wiggle? Can we have a tail wiggle? Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Thanks. Soarin is one of our favourite rides at EPCOT, allowing you to glide over some of the world's most famous landmarks. Soarin utilises a massive projection dome and ride vehicles that lift you up in the air, giving you the impression that you really are hang gliding. Combine that with sweeping music and special effects like wind and smells of the ocean, grass and flowers. It really is Disney magic at its best. Soarin first debuted at Disney's California Adventure in 2001, and because it was such an amazing hit, it soon opened at EPCOT in 2005. And after you've seen the delights of Paris, where else could your fantastic adventure end but EPCOT itself, gliding over Spaceship Earth as the fireworks light up the skies. Such a fantastic ride. And a must-do every time that you visit EPCOT. It never gets boring, every time feels like your first ride. Can't wait to go on this again. We had an amazing time at Moonlight Magic, but it really was a full-on day, and as it was heading towards 12 o'clock midnight, we decided to call it a day because, like the White Rabbit, it was very, very late. Saw some great characters, and even saw our own rabbit on the way home. Definitely will try to go to Moonlight Magic every time we go to Disney if there's one scheduled. On the whole, it was an amazing night, really well organised, and we had a great time. If there was one criticism, I suppose the snack credits that you're given, there was so many confusions over what you could get and what you couldn't get, and in the end we didn't even bother because it was just wasn't worth the time. And to be honest, we were so full up from our dinner at Spice Road table that we wouldn't have been able to enjoy anything anyway. It's been a long day in the heat. So as we head back to our room to get some well-earned sleep, thought I'd show you a quick glimpse of the boardwalk lobby. It's absolutely huge, vast, and boardwalk is such a lovely resort, and we'll definitely stay here again. We've got creepy chairs of doom.
That chair is notorious.
Does it come to life?
Oh.
We're checking out of Boardwalk this morning and going across the water to Beach Club. It's such a beautiful view. We were so excited to get a boardwalk view room because initially when we booked, we only had a garden view, but we put in a waitlist request at the Disney Vacation Club, and a couple of weeks before we were due to come, our waitlist request came through. We do love the beach club as well though, especially Stormalong Bay, which is the pool and the lazy river. That had been refurbished for about 6 months, so it had been closed, and we didn't know whether it was going to open again by the time that we went over. And fortunately, it opened a week or so before we got there, which was totally amazing. So if you looked at the menu of the Cape Bait shop...
I haven't.
God, that's just so unlike you.
Yeah. Like the surprises.
Normally you know exactly what you're going to have.
All they say is don't have the coffee.
I know, but we'll have to get a coffee somewhere else. I need a bit of a coffee.
Be that bad.
Well, Victoria didn't seem to like it. And she is a coffee connoisseur. The menu is absolutely huge. They've got everything from fruit salads to eggs benedict, waffles and French toast, quiche and croissants, fruit and granola, and an a la carte menu. Hopefully some cake as well. What are you going to have for a drink?
I think I'm gonna have a coconut latte. Sounds delicious. With coconut syrup, steamed coconut milk, and a rim of shaved coconut. I'm so immature.
Never have I seen such a look of concentration on his face as when he's looking at cakes. When we used to go to the supermarket and I lost Wayne, where would I find you, Wayne, all the time? Have you decided what sort of cakes have they got? Let's let the viewers know, hey?
Loads. Carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
Birthday cake. Red velvet. Lemon blueberry. Oprah's O-list. Mint chocolate chip cake.
And what do we say when there's carrot cake on the menu?
Carrot cake, have you any nuts? No nuts.
Wow, well, the coconut coffees with the coconut shaved coconut rim have turned up. And also the cinnamon bites. Oh, I wish you could smell these because they smell absolutely delicious. Alright, I think we should start tucking in, don't you, Wayne? This is a lovely little room. We asked if we could have a little tour of the Cape Bait shop because it was so beautiful. Although a little pricey, totally recommend coming here. The food was amazing and we had a really nice experience. And the coffee wasn't bad either. They have a little gift shop and a little takeaway shop next to it, so if you can't get a booking, you can always get something to take away. All in all, definitely a 10 out of 10 experience. There is that there somewhere, didn't you? In our next instalment, join us as we check into Beach Club. We visit Caribbean Beach in the evening. Oh, look at that, lashings and lashings of caramel sauce. We enjoy dinner at Sebastian's Bistro. And we check in to Animal Kingdom Lodge for one night at club level. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also click on the bell so that you get alerts for all our new episodes. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We're Two Hearts Travel and we wish you were here.